Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how we can install a Fortigate firewall in GNS3, and we're going to also download the actual image of the file from the Fortinet support portal as well, and I'll show you how to select the right file. And there are a number of different options available from when you go to select the actual file in different versions. So first we're going to click on new template, install an appliance from GNS3 server recommended, which is okay. So we're going to click next, and then we're going to select Fortigate. Right. So Fortigate, we're going to select custom, and then we're going to install. Next. So I'm going to install version 7.4.5 basically. So this is Fortigate version 7.4.5. So this is Fortinet support portal. Basically, you just really need to register an account on the website support.fortinet.com, and then you will be able to see these options here, support options and services option. So you need to go to support and then firmware download, and once you go to firmware images, and then you need to select product Fortigate, and then you need to go to download, and then you need to select the correct version 7.4, and here you need to select this image, basically 7.4.5 kvm. So kvm is that's the correct image that we need to .zip file. So that's the correct image, 7.4.5 build 2702 kvm.zip. So I'm just going to click on HTTPS, so it will start downloading this image. So while this image is being downloaded, I'm going to go to here. So can we find 7.4.5 here? So as we don't have 7.4.5 here, so I'm going to create a new version, and then I'm going to select 7.4.5. okay, and as you saw there, this build is default is 1828, and we need to change this to 7.4.5 2702 to build 2702. So you need to change it. This is very important. 27. So I'm going to change it here, 2702. Right? Okay. Click OK. And this is the disk image, which is default for everybody, for all the versions. Okay, so now we have 7.4.5. This disk image is already installed, but you can download this from GNS3 appliances for Fortigate. If you go to GNS3, search in your Google GNS3 Marketplace appliance Fortigate, so you will see these options here. So 7.4. You can see this is the file that you already have. Okay, so I'm going back to GNS3 7.4.5. So this file now should have been downloaded. So I'm going to go to my download folder. So there is. I'm going to extract it here. Extract all. Okay, so that's the file that we need. So I'm just going back to GNS3 import, and I'm going to select that file. So while it's being imported, soon it will show it as, so you see now it has found this file on GNS3 because we already have imported it. So I'm going to click next. Yes, the template would be available in the firewall category, right? Okay, that's fine. Finish. Okay, so now we have this 7.4.5 installed. So I'm going to click it here, and I'm going to start it, and I'm also going to go to console for this. Okay, so we are in the console. So while it's being rebooted, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the support website, basically. Okay, so this is support website. This is very important to filter the right image, basically FGT _VM64. So because I just remove this filter, so you will see there are so many different images, right? So you might get confused which image needs to be downloaded, right? So make sure always filter the image with starting with FGT VM64, and then you need to choose the KVM one, right? Okay, so FGT VM64, and then we need to filter the KVM one, right? This one here, this is the one we done just now. Okay, so let's go back to GNS3 and see if our so firewall is being rebooted. So while this firewall is being rebooted, we just have to wait for a minute maybe or something. I'm gonna show you some basic configuration as well to how to log into that actually, and what is the default password and all that. So bear with me while the system is being rebooted. Okay, so it's been restarted. Okay, so let's give it one more minute. And in the next video, while this is being rebooted, I will show you how to configure, do the basic configuration and do the HTTPS access, GUI access, and then register for the valuation license and what are the requirements for the valuation license, right? So that I will demonstrate in the next video, but for now I'm just going to show you the basic login prompt, you know, as soon as we get. So it's still being restarted. Okay, so here we are. So the admin, so that's the default username admin, and there is no password. Just hit enter and you will be prompted for a new password. So I'm just going to put as admin and confirm it as admin, right? So that is the basic Fortigate installed now in our GNS3. You can use it to create your test lab or any other projects you might be working on. Okay, so see you next time in the next video, where I will be explaining more about the licensing and accessing through the GUI. Thank you, bye.